It's Wokes. Looking for new ways to earn money online? The internet is a wild west of opportunity, and today we're diving into some seriously killer online hustles. Forget the same old. We're talking about lesser known but lucrative ways to make that digital bread. This isn't your average how to make money online video. We're going beyond the clickbait and straight to strategies that actually work. So, if you're ready to level up your online earning game, hit that subscribe button, and let's do this. Alright, first up, stock photography. Stock photography is the silent workhorse of the online earning world. It's not flashy, but it's consistent, passive, and profitable. Imagine earning money while you sleep just because someone downloaded your photo. Businesses, bloggers, YouTubers, they all need high-quality images. These images help them tell their stories and enhance their content. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo are constantly hungry for fresh content. They thrive on variety and quality. So how do you get started? Have an eye for composition, lighting, and subject matter. These elements are crucial for creating appealing photos. Invest in a decent camera, or use your phone if it's got a killer camera, and start shooting. The best camera is the one you have with you. Think about what people and businesses need. What kind of images are in demand? Need a shot of a delicious-looking coffee for a food blog? Done. Simple, everyday items can be gold mines. Need an image of someone working from home for a tech article? Boom, got it covered. Versatility is key. Be diverse, relevant, and high quality. The more varied your portfolio, the better. Upload your portfolio to stock photo platforms. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. Each platform has its own submission guidelines and royalty structures, so do your research. Understanding these can maximize your earnings. Once your photos are up, they can generate income for months, even years. It's a long-term investment. The more photos you upload, the more passive your income becomes. Consistency and volume are your friends in this business. Next up, let's dive into the fascinating world of voiceover work. You might be thinking, Wokes, I don't have a radio voice, but hold up. Voiceover work isn't just about having a deep, booming baritone or a silky smooth voice. It's about connecting with an audience and bringing words to life through emotion and clarity. Every YouTube video, commercial, and animated character needs a voice to make them come alive. And guess what? Those voices can be yours, no matter your natural tone. Hone your craft by practicing reading out loud, recording yourself, and listening back critically. Improve your technique with online resources, courses, and even community feedback. Once you're confident, start looking for gigs on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Voices.com. Create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and browse through a wide range of projects. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of voice do you have? Is it suited for commercials, audiobooks, or animation? When starting out, don't be afraid to undercut the competition to build your portfolio and gain experience. As you book more gigs and your reputation grows, you can gradually increase your rates. Voiceover work is about building relationships and trust with your clients. Communicate clearly with clients, deliver high-quality work on time, and always be professional. A happy client can lead to more gigs down the line and even long-term collaborations. Let's talk about sharing your expertise. Online courses. You might be thinking, Wokes, I'm not an expert in anything, but everyone has knowledge and skills others would pay to learn. Are you a whiz at photography? A master chef? There's an audience eager to learn from you. Online courses let you package your knowledge into a digestible format. Reach a global audience and scale your impact exponentially. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about teaching? What problem are you solving? Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it easy to create and sell online courses. Focus on providing value. Offer your unique perspective and actionable steps. Market your course through social media, email lists, and collaborations. Listen to student feedback, update your content, and strive to improve the learning experience. The more value you provide, the more successful your online course will be. Finally, let's talk about freelance writing for content mills. These platforms can be a great starting point for new writers. Content mills might not have the glamour of big-name publications, but they offer consistent work and income. They provide a steady stream of assignments that can help you pay the bills. Think of content mills as the boot camps of the freelance writing world. They are intense, demanding, and can be incredibly rewarding if approached with the right mindset. They help you hone your craft, build your portfolio, and get comfortable with deadlines. Meeting tight deadlines regularly will make you a more disciplined writer. Find the right platforms for you. Text Broker, Writer Access, and ProBlogger Job Board. Each has its own unique set of clients and types of assignments. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so do your research. Read reviews, join forums, and ask other freelancers about their experiences. Be strategic. Don't waste time on low-paying gigs. Focus on assignments that offer a good return on your time investment. Look for assignments that spark your interest and pay a fair rate. Passion for the topic can make the writing process more enjoyable and efficient. Speed and efficiency are your best friends. The faster you can churn out high-quality content, the more you can earn. Practice makes perfect. Invest in tools like grammar checkers and plagiarism detectors. These tools can save you time and ensure your work is polished and professional. Content mills are a stepping stone. As you gain experience, seek higher-paying opportunities. Use the skills and portfolio you've built to move up the ladder. Build a brand for yourself as a skilled and reliable freelance writer. Your reputation will open doors to better and more lucrative assignments. So there you have it, 4 incredible online earning opportunities to unlock your financial freedom. The internet is a constantly evolving landscape of opportunity. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let me know in the comments which online hustle you're most excited to try. I'm stoked to hear your thoughts.